Welcome back to our channel. I am so glad that you're here because today we're diving into a topic that everyone wants to know about: how to manage your money like the 1%. Ever wonder how the wealthy keeps getting wealthier? Well, we're about to uncover their secrets, so stick around and let's get started. Managing money like the 1% isn't just about having a huge income. It's about adopting smart strategies and disciplined habits. So let's break down some key principles that the wealthy follow to grow and preserve their wealth. Principle number 1. Pay yourself first. The first thing the 1% do is pay themselves first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before you pay any of your bills. Aim to serve at least 20% of your income. This strategy ensures that you're consistently building your financial cushion. To pay yourself first, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment account each payday and don't miss one. This way, saving becomes a non-negotiable part of your investment routine. Building an emergency fund is also crucial to paying yourself first, because the emergency fund, which is about 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses, it acts as a safety net, preventing you from dipping into your investments during unexpected times. Many of us don't even think about that, using an emergency fund instead of dipping into our investments. Principle number 2, create multiple streams of income. The wealthy don't rely on a single source of income. Instead, they diversify their income streams to ensure financial stability and growth. This could include investments, side businesses or side hustles, real estate, and more. So look into investment income, right? Consider investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds that provides regular dividends. This creates a steady stream of income in addition to your regular salary. Real estate, rental properties, can provide consistent monthly income. So do your research to find good investment opportunities in the real estate market. And then for your side business or your side hustle, look at your gifts and your talents and see what you can exchange for currency. Principle number 3, master the art of budgeting in order to live below your means. See, budgeting is a fundamental skill that the 1% master. At all times, they know exactly where their money is going and make sure every dollar is working for them. Living below your means is also crucial. The 1% is often frugal, choosing to spend less than what they earn. This doesn't mean living a miserly life. It's about making mindful choices and prioritizing what truly matters. So create a detailed budget that includes your income, expenses, savings, and investment. And use budgeting apps or either spreadsheet to keep a close eye on your spending and track every expense. You want to identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. And you want to define clear, concise, and achievable financial goals, whether it's saving for a house, a car, a vacation, or retirement. Having specific goals helps you to stay focused and disciplined. So avoid and resist the urge to increase your spending as your income grows, but instead maintain a modest lifestyle and funnel the extra money into your savings and investments. Principle number 4, invest in yourself with continuous education. See, the wealthy never stop learning. Instead, they prioritize personal and professional development. The wealthy continuously invest in themselves by acquiring new skills, expanding their knowledge, and improving their expertise. Become a lifelong learner. Never stop learning. Make a habit to read financial books, take online courses, attend seminars, follow reputable financial news sources and stay updated with industry trends. Build a strong network of like-minded individuals. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and can offer valuable insights and opportunities. This not only increases your earning potential, but it also opens up new opportunities. Knowledge is power, and it can significantly impact your financial success. Principle number 5, minimize tax legally. The wealthy understands that the importance of minimizing their tax burden legally. I said legally. They work with tax professionals to take advantage of deductions, credits, and other tax-saving strategies. Proper tax planning can save you a substantial amount of money. Be sure to invest in tax advantage accounts like IRAs, 401ks, and HSAs. These accounts offer significant tax benefits that can boost your savings. Always consult a tax advisor to stay informed about the latest tax laws and strategies, because they can help you optimize your tax situation and help you to keep more money, more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Principle number 6, give back. See, this is you. The wealthy understands the importance of giving back. They allocate a portion of their income to charitable causes, community projects, and philanthropy. Giving back not only benefits others, but it also brings a sense of fulfillment and purpose to your life. So look into charitable donations, identify causes and organizations that resonate with you, and donate regularly. Even small contributions can make a big difference. Not only give money, offer your time and skills to support the community initiative. Now, there is no need to ever wonder again how the wealthy keeps getting wealthier, because we've just uncovered 6 principles or 6 secrets of them. By adopting these principles, you can start managing your money like the 1% and set yourself on a path to financial freedom. Now go and put these principles into action. Thank you for joining with us today. Please be sure to share your thoughts and your experiences in the comments below. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights from our channel. Thank you again and again for watching, and I'll be sure to see you in the next video. Ciao for now.